No stam not supposed to have no young girl name. When you get the stam young girl name, when you get young girl attitude and young girl problems. Same like how you see young girl take long to get themselves together. How exactly that now get right as right now from Melissa. See girl supposed to pass around and go about in business and they can make up in mind. 1 second him come the other second he not so sure. Out they are growing in a circle and a wine and wiggle and cock up in a this. I do hair and makeup and nails and eyelash and body and all kind of same thing. Stam not supposed to have young girl name. When you catch a him and no one name for stam, when you name the stam things like Merkel, Margaret, Mirelle, Mildred, Mary, Mabel, Mercy. You have one stamp when you Miss Mercy that the stamp now cause no problems. But I've had the stamp name who couldn't find a start with him. When you get the stamp name Melissa. Melissa fresh out her 20s in her early 30s and have man problem. Nobody now have to ask if Melissa has bad news. But on a serious note though, as this thing passes over Jamaica, please do what is necessary to prevent the loss of life. Please remember that things can be acquired again. You can get back material things, but you cannot get back alive. And please, for the love of God, please look out for the idiot them we live in our communities. Members say them are idiot. Them not have no sense. Members say the humble thing you can expect from a hog is a grunt. For a lot of these people, we are asking them to do things that they can't mentally process or assimilate. So you have to be kind enough to share the little sense where you have with them. Otherwise, from that, I got no doubt in my mind that we are going to be A-OK. Because Jamaica is still the best little dot on the map and God's most favorite little spot. Look after yourself and each other.